In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a file on Telegram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Telegram app, then scroll down and open up some conversation where you want to share your file. Then hit right here at that paperclip icon, and now you can first select some photos from your photo gallery, or you can hit right here at file icon to show recently sent files. Also here you can hit at select from files to show files at your device or iCloud, and now from here you can just check mark any files. You can check mark multiple files at once, and after that you can hit at open, and those files are being sent to the recipient right now. And basically that's it. I hope this video helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.